Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to be telling you or teaching you the signs that will tell you you're ovulating now, what you're going to feel, what you're going to see. Now, to know when you're ovulating or the signs of ovulation, the signs of ovulation are not really much like that. They're not even as much as your period. When you're seeing your period, one of the most important sign that tells you are ovulating is the change in your mucus plug. So when we say mucus plug, some people may not know what is mucus plug. It basically just means your discharge, because normally we have discharges, and then if you are very observant, you will know that these discharges are usually different. So this discharge is different when you are about to see your period. It is different before you ovulate, and during ovulation, and after your ovulation. Okay, so when you're ovulating, if you're going to notice, this discharge is going to be, it's going to be very clear and very drawy, like drawy. So it's not sticky, it's not white, it's not sticky, it's not cloudy. It's just like egg white, egg white without the yolk, just that egg white. So you know how drawy it is and how clear it is. That is how this discharge is. That is how the discharge is going to look like. So the moment you see your discharge like that and you now feel it very drawy or slimy, it means it's a sign that you are ovulating. Okay, another important sign that tells you are ovulating is so your body temperature. I would say there's a slight rise in your body temperature. It's usually not much. If you are observant, like I always say, you're going to notice that your body is a bit hotter than usual. Do you understand? It's just for that particular day or so. It's just for that particular day that you're ovulating, and then it will go back to normal. So another sign that you're ovulating is there's this increase in your sexual urge at that particular time, or let's say that particular day, or a few days before that day, or after that day. It's just the body is just designed to be like that. And I didn't even tell you the reason why that discharge, that mucus plug is clear and drawy, is because when there is intercourse, that sliminess or that texture of the mucus is just to enable the sperm cells to move freely up to go and meet the egg for fertilization. You see, this is how nature has designed our body. Then also, this increase in our sexual drive or sexual urge is just to make us have sex, so that when you have sex, there can be sperm cells, and then when there's sperm cells, there will be fertilization, and then when there's fertilization, there will be a baby. So that is nature's way of enabling us to reproduce. Very wonderful, right? So another sign again is having abdominal pain, but not as much as the period pain. When you're on your period, this particular one, you're going to feel the pain as if it's period, but it's not period. Should I call it a sharp pain? Yeah, I can call it a sharp pain. And you're going to feel it in like the particular side of the ovary that is ovulating at that particular time. But it's not everybody that gets to feel this pain. For me, I usually feel it. It's very slight. Sometimes I don't even notice that it's there. And that sign is body sensitivity. So people, like for me, my body is usually very sensitive to pain. Should I say pain? Sensitive to a lot of things. Sensitive to pain, to cold, to heat, to whatever. So I can, whenever I'm ovulating, like even if you touch my skin like this, if you just rub on my skin, there's this slight pain I usually feel on my skin. If you should try to pinch my skin, normally I usually feel the pain more. Okay, so again, some people might experience slight headache or a little heaviness in their breast. For me, I don't experience these ones, but I've heard of people that say these are part of the signs and symptoms. Okay, the signs of ovulation is not such a big deal. These are just basically the signs, the general and common signs you're going to experience when you're ovulating. So when you feel things like this, just suspect, just know that you are actually ovulating at that particular time. Okay, so guys, I think that's all. I'll see you in my next video. Kindly subscribe, okay, and join the family. See you in my next video. Bye.